Welcome to the PFS podcast. We are Paler Financial Services and are going to be covering various financial topics and current events.
Mark Paler here for Paler Financial. Wait, don't tell me. Yes, Uncle Sam wants to know more about your business. In 2021, Congress enacted the Bipartisan Corporate Transparency Act. The goal was to stop money laundering and curb illicit finance. This law requires that we report information about our businesses to the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, commonly known as FinCEN. It's about the company itself and who owns and controls it. You only have to report one time, unless there's a change in some type of ownership or the addresses. Then an update needs to be filed. Reporting is fairly simple, secure, and free. If your company was created in the United States by filing a document with the Secretary of State or a similar office, you need to file. But appreciate the fact there are 23 types of exempt entities. To see if you are one of them, log into fincen.gov. That's FINCEN.gov. If your company existed before January 1st, 2024, then you need to file by January 1st, 2025. Let me say that again. If your company already existed before January 1st of this year, then you need to file by January 1st, 2025. That's in the next 2 months. Starting in 2025, companies need to file their initial report within 30 days after their registration is effective, and updating is also required within a 30-day time frame. When filing, you need to report the names, addresses, state of formation, and identification numbers for each business and the owners. Additionally, the owners will need to report their birth dates and submit a copy of their IDs, which could be either their driver's license or passport. If someone chooses to ignore these rules, then they could be subject to civil and criminal penalties. The civil penalty is $500 per day the report is not filed, and criminal penalties can be imprisonment for up to 2 years and/or a fine of up to $10,000. Senior officers of the business can be held personally liable for filing failures. With all that said, please either file your report or reach out to your CPA or attorney to help you do so. The website is fincen.gov/BOI. That is FINCEN.gov/BOI. Uncle Sam wants to be in the know of who's doing business in our country. Please file, as we don't want anyone to have to pay unreasonable penalties or end up in jail. For additional resources or a link to the website, you can visit our website at palerfinancial.com. That's www.palerfinancial.com. And always feel free to give us a call at 303-858-0045. The information presented is not intended to constitute advice. We relied on sources we believe to be bona fide and accurate. Each person is responsible for exercising independent judgment in determining whether the information provided is appropriate for themselves.